Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what we'll be looking at is we'll be looking at a problem where we need to check if a number is prime or not. Right. To do that, what we can do is we can loop over it first of all. Right. So we can start directly from two. Okay. So for I equals to int I equals to 2, right, and we can do I is less than num, right. We don't want it to look until num as well, right. So I plus plus, and uh if I is, or if num is perfectly divisible by I, right, that means equals 0, that means it's not a prime number, right. Otherwise, after we finish the loop and still there is it's a prime, like after we finish the loop it's not being divide, it's not able to divide it, then it's of course prime number. Okay, so we can just check it like this. Okay, so that's how we did it. Let's submit the code. Let's see how other people have done it. Let's see the solutions. Some people might have divided the num or something like that. Just break up the task and all. Okay, yeah, it's yeah, I see over here some people have divided it as well, right, just breaking it down. All right, so that's all for this video. If you have any questions, do comment down below. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.